I just started and it's already a fail. Yay! Hey guys, it's Hailee.Oze back with another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be following a James Charles makeup tutorial. If you've never been here before, please hit the big subscribe button to see more videos like this one and all about makeup and all things girly. Please also hit the big like button to let me know that you want to see more videos like this one. Let's just get right into the video.
I'm going to start off the eye study with my Morphe 25B palette.
I see that he's using an old Morphe palette. I don't have that one, so I'm going to use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette.
So I'm first going to go in with this orange transition shade up in here with my M441 and just buff that into the crease. Next I'm going to grab my M4.
I feel like the palette he's using is way better than this one. Yeah, there we go.
33 and dip into this reddy brown shade up in here and just put that on the outer V. I'm just blending this really lightly into the outer crease. I don't want this eye look to have too much dimension. I'm kind of keeping it really soft and light today.
I don't know if you can see this, but there are like lines right there. Like that just did nothing. Okay, cool.
We still definitely want to make sure it's blended though, so I'm really making sure to go in with those colors and blow them out.
Wow, I just started and it's already a fail. Yay!
If you guys notice, my hoodie does say I'm shook. I just released my first ever clothing line called Sisters Apparel. I am so proud of it. I've been working on it for a very long time.
Sister Apparel came out literally like 3 years ago.
And we just had the launch a few days ago. You guys literally crashed the website. The entire server, it wasn't just my store, it was the entire server, which was so freaking cool. I mean, like, sorry it was annoying for you guys, but
that's what I want one day.
It was cool for me that you guys have that much power to like crash an entire server, so it was like a bittersweet type moment, but it should all be working now, and a ton of you guys have been tweeting me and DMing me saying you got your stuff, so I'm so excited. Next, I'm going to go back into that M433 and I'm going to dip into this dark brown shade right down here and just deepen up the outer corner the slightest bit. For the lid today, I'm going to grab my M170-0 brush and dip into this shade right here and sort of...
similar, I guess.
I'm just using this brush in the shadow to cut out the inner corner. The crease. I'm just using this brush in the shadow to cut out the inner corner and just going about halfway. This is basically going to be a half cut crease, and then I'm just going to blend out the outer corner with the same orange shadow from before.
Literally nothing is going on that brush. Can you see that? Nothing's going on there. Cool.
For a little bit more dimension, I'm going to layer over top of that shadow.
I don't have that color, so I thought we would take this Ulta color, shade Mesa. That's not the same color that he used though.
And, these are really pretty. Okay, I'm actually loving how the shadow is applying. This looks so beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a wing liner, and for this I'm gonna use my absolute fave, the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper. Roll up the sleeves because this is some serious action about to go down.
Wow, my hand is shaking.
Wow. The prayer worked because I think this is literally one of the best wing liners I've ever done.
Okay.
I'm shocked.
Let's see if I can do this.
For my lower lash line, I'm going to take my tweezers and pick up one of these little crystals and a little bit of lash glue and just pop it on.
And I'm not using crystals.
For lashes today, I'm going to be popping on the House of Lashes Iconics. Right after I pick up the crusty glue from them from wearing them last night.
Okay, so for lashes, I'm going to be using the Lily Lashes San Diego one.
I know I talked about this in the last video, but guys, seriously, putting on your lashes before you put on mascara is the best trick that anybody has ever taught me. 15 out of 10 would definitely recommend, like, made my life a million times easier. Alright, I just popped on some mascara and then curled my lashes together to make sure they are nice and blended. And that is one eye all complete. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one off camera to save some time. Then we can come back and finish the rest of the face.
Holy cow, that is a huge lash. Okay. So now I'm going to get the other side and I'll be right back.
There we go, both eyes are now complete, so now we're going to move on and we're going to get the glow on. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using my current fave, the Ofra Blissful Highlighter.
I'm going to use my Tarte Pro Glow.
Apply this to my brow bone first.
I don't know.
I'm gonna use that same brush to snatch my nose. Oh yes, come on, pinch nose. Love not being able to breathe. Then of course using my M501, I'm also gonna pop this highlighter onto the cheekbones. Okay, hi, like, are we blind? Yes. For lips today, I'm gonna mix these two shades together for Morphe.
So for lips today, I'm gonna use my MAC lipstick. This is the shade Faux or Fox. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. If you guys liked this video today, please hit the subscribe button and hit the big like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!